Hey, what's going on, guys? Keenith here today. Today, day 2 of no solid foods. Just keeping you posted on how I'm feeling. Feeling pretty good. First day was it was tough. The urge to eat like food, in the solid form. It was a little tough. No cap, okay? But I woke up today and I was okay. I was like, a little urge is still there, but as I go throughout the day, the urge is going away. Okay, so I'm getting ready to do my 2-mile walk. Not gonna do any, muscle related exercises. Just a calm walk, 2 miles. Listen to some good music. I'm listening to a book now. Again, the book I recommended, How Not to Die. I'll be listening to that today and just getting, being educated on the power of, fruits and vegetables. Someone asked me about me going away from sugar, trying not to eat sugar, and why sugar is so damaging to our bodies. Again, when we know better, we should do better. I heard this message where they said sugar in a child's brain is ADHD. Sugar on your brain, older person's brain, is Alzheimer's or dementia. Sugar on your teeth is cavities. I used to get cavities all the time, didn't understand why, right? Sugar on your skin is aging. Sugar in your eyes, glaucoma. Sugar in your liver is fatty liver disease. Guys, this is, oh my God, sugar is dangerous. Okay? Sugar, overloads of sugar can be cancer. So if you know these things about sugar, why do we continue to eat sugar? Unprocessed sugar I'm referring to. Like what you buy in the store, the white sugar. Everything has been zapped from all the fiber. Everything has been taken from that sugar. But they put it in everything. High fructose. I always say when you go out and you shop, look at the nutritional facts. The nutritional facts on the side and see the ingredients. You see the nutritional fact, you see the ingredients. Look at the ingredients, folks. It's very important. These are things that we're not accustomed to doing. But when you start doing that, your mind will be blown away about what's in these foods that are killing us. Scientifically backed proof, guys. These things are killing us. And we can make a decision, a choice, not to live that way. We don't have to. It's a choice. So I'm getting ready to plant some spinach seeds. Okay, get my spinach on, right? Of course, this is going in my juice, right? So I'm planting these. So you can kind of see how I start planting the seeds. See, so I put in my soil, right? And I'm gonna start dropping my seeds in. Okay, and hey, we're gonna have spinach. Yummy, yummy. But yeah, guys, this is like I said, I'm doing everything I can to stay healthy, live a longer life, a life of, fulfillment, being able to, get up when I want to, not having assistance as I get older. I don't want that type of life. Okay. I want a life where I'm in control, where I'm strong, my mind is clear. These are things that you have to do, the sacrifice you have to make to eat the right things, where you will have that type of life. Okay. So again, this is day 2, guys. I'm feeling pretty good. I'll be taking my shake later on today. Like I said, I also do intermittent fasting. Well, I may do like 20 hours where I don't eat anything, and I got a 4-hour window to eat. Now that's a bit extreme for a lot of people. So if you're just getting started with intermittent fasting, do your research on that. Start out with something like a 16, 8, something like that, where you go 16 hours without eating. Then you may have an 8-hour window, or just do your research on that, because fasting is a cheat code to heal your body. Your body is designed to heal itself. If you put what it needs in, it will it will do what it needs to do. It will perform for you. But you got to put the right things in. So all I'm doing is just sharing my story, my journey to ultimate health. And I want it for everyone. But again, it's a choice. You can decide to eat the wrong way, put the wrong things in your body, and your body will tell you. It's going to tell you, meaning you may be in the hospital or worse. We don't want that. We want to live a healthy, productive life, and you can do it. The power is in your hand. So this is day 2. I'll keep you posted on day 3 tomorrow. So you guys have an awesome day. And let's eat to live. Keenith signing out. Talk to you later. Peace.